Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will teach you how to increase security when you visit a site in Chrome thanks to the Enable Strict Site Isolation process. To start, we are going to open Google Chrome. At the top, you will click on the plus sign to add a new tab. Next, you will enter the syntax of Chrome:// flags. Press Enter to apply it and go to this path. In this window, we start by clicking on the search box to place ourselves and write the combination of Disable Site. You will see that the option Disable Site Isolation appears as a suggestion. The next thing is to press the box next to it and select the default option. After this, minimize Chrome browser. On the Windows desktop, right-click with your mouse on the Google Chrome shortcut and in the displayed list, click on Properties. Click with your mouse at the end of the last word of the path in the destination field. Press the spacebar and enter the syntax that we show you on the script screen: script site script per script process. Save your changes by clicking Apply, and then clicking OK to confirm. There is also another function to process the origin of a specific website that we can configure. To do this, open Google Chrome. At the top, you will click on the plus sign to add a new tab. There you will enter the syntax that we show you from Chrome:// flags and press Enter to go to that route. Now tap on the search box to type and enter the word Isolate Additional. We will see as a result the function Isolate Additional Originals. In the box next to this value, use your mouse to select the enabled value. For this function to be activated, you are going to click on the Relaunch button. Google Chrome will restart, and you will be able to see that the feature is enabled. If you now look, you will be able to see an available field in this function activated. In it, enter the web address of the site to be processed with strict isolation. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Again, click Relaunch to restart Chrome and confirm the changes. Now that site you registered will be in a sandbox in Chrome. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.